This tutorial covers customizing part of a countermark, that is, making part of the countermark human readable. Why would you want to customize a countermark? To add a human readable element to the code. It may be that you want to include a part number, an inventory reference, a department code, or an element of your branding. A countermark is made up of 32 characters displayed in 2 rows with 16 characters per row. You can choose the characters that are used in the top left section of the countermark. In this example, most of the information required for a countermark has already been prepared. The countermark will be associated with an image, a reference has been added, the countermark has been time locked for 8 weeks. All that remains is to set the 4 unique characters. This option only allows you to define the first 4 characters in a countermark. All the other characters will always be randomized. To choose the 4 user-defined characters, we'll come to the middle section of the form. It's important to note that if you are going to customize these characters, you must customize all 4. To choose the character that you want to use, click on the box and then pick from the drop-down menu. We've now chosen all 4 characters. Note that in addition to choosing the 4 characters, you can also choose between 4 different character sets. These are defined here. The choices are Latin, Katakana, Cyrillic or Chinese. We will now generate the countermark. Click Generate Countermark. And as you can see, the first 4 characters of this countermark match the 4 characters that were input into the selection boxes. This countermark can now be copied and pasted into another document. There's a separate tutorial that covers copying and pasting, or it can be downloaded as an image file. This is the end of the tutorial which covers the customizing of countermarks.